In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to plan Instagram content. Open Asana and set up your project. Click Create in the top right, choose Project, pick Blank Project, give it a clear name like Instagram Content and 2025 or Client IG Content, select Calendar View and click Create. Starting in Calendar View lets you see posts by date at a glance. Switch to List View to build your workflow. Add sections named Ideas or Concepts, Scripts or Drafts, Design or Editing, Ready for Review, Scheduled and Posted. Create a reusable task template so every post follows the same steps. Click Add Task and name it Template. IG post, add subtasks for write caption, design or edit, hashtags, upload to Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite, client approval, and schedule post. In the description, add photo or video notes, research keywords, and hook ideas. Then open the three-dot menu and convert it to a template to duplicate for new posts. Next, add custom fields. Click Customize and add field. Useful ones include post type with single, carousel, reel, or story. Status with planning, editing, scheduled, or posted. Platform to mark Instagram only or cross-post. Content pillar with value, promo, personal, or trends. And CTA, such as follow, DM, click link, or save. Inside each post task, attach your media. Use attach file to upload from your desktop, Google Drive, Dropbox, or your phone. Paste the caption into the description and keep hashtags, notes, hook, and posting time there too. Plan your dates in Calendar View. Drag a task onto a day, set the due date, and note the posting time in the description or a custom field. If you need approvals, open Customize, go to Rules, and add automations. Notify a client when status changes to Ready for Review, move a task to Scheduled when they comment Approved, and assign a task when it's moved to Posted. If clients participate, use Share and give them Can Comment Only access. For intake, build a form. In Customize, open Forms, add fields for topic, description, photo upload, CTA, and due date. Then share the link. Each submission becomes a new task automatically. Work in batches to save time. List ideas in the Ideas section, duplicate the IG post template for each idea, write all captions, create all graphics or videos, and schedule them in one session. Finally, track performance. Add custom fields or a separate analytics project for post date, reach, saves, shares, comments, engagement rate, and link clicks, and update the data weekly. That's the complete system for planning Instagram content in Asana.